account, Lorena Adventurista. Search it, Lorena Adventurista. I like without skinless ba. Good morning. Good morning, Dinga. Francisco. Hi, Godwin. When you ang hirap talaga ng mga pangalan dito sa TikTok. Nag-live ako sa TikTok. Hi! Hala. Alis na kami mga 30. Alis na kami 30. It's good. Have some lechon. Wala na akong viewers. Hi BMW 7. Wow, BMW sana all. Hi Jimenisa EGP. Hi Russia. Russia. Hi Alex. Please subscribe my Please subscribe my YouTube and follow my TikTok, please. Hi, Karma. Uy, kadelikado. Uy, na Karma man. Karma, no. Don't me Karma. Don't make me Karma. Wait lang. At ako'y sisinga lang. Don't make me Karma, please. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Rick Jones still there? Rick Jones. Tatlo na lang kayo dyan. Ay, nga pala. What is you from? What is you from? I am from Philippines. I am in Madrid. Wow, Madrid. Hi, Diomedes. Hola. Hi, Roger Velia. Hola. Hi, Fausto. Hola, Fausto. Napaos na ito. Hi, Fausto. Napaos na ito. Hala, Madrid. Karma. Karma, why your name is Karma? Karma is not followed you. Wow, Karma. Thank you for following me. Don't karma me. Karma, don't karma me, please. Hala, Bira. Hala, Madrid. Hala, Philippines. Hala, Philippines. Hala, Philippines. Do 30. Buena noche. Karma ka lang. Kaya nga sabi ko sa kanya, don't karma me. Jessica, I love baby. I love baby daw. Carmen Aguilar. Hi, Carmen Aguilar, 1012. Please follow my TikTok. Thank you, Karma, for following me. I will follow you back later. Ano naman itong nangyari sa English ko? Ayan na, Jessica, palit kay Francisco. I love you, baby, too. Wow, sana all. Emmanuel. Hi, Emmanuel. Francisco. Wait lang, ha. Itambay natin yung yung laptop natin para may viewers si Jazz mamaya. O, diba? Do 30. Bilisan mo naman at alis na kami. Gutom na ako. You want a baby? Then you make a baby. Bukas daw si Coyote pupunta dito. Jessica and Lorena are beautiful. Thank you. How about the others, Francisco? It's unfair for them. Only me and Jessica is beautiful. How about the others? We are all beautiful. Pag sinampay, ginoo ko tabang mga kalangitan. Sinampay pa more.